Understanding the phrase, dead leg, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss and understand, dead leg. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, and it's great to know what it means so you can use it correctly in your conversations. So, let's dive in and explore the meaning and usage of dead leg. When we break down the phrase, dead leg, it consists of two words, dead and leg. Literally, dead refers to something that is no longer alive, and leg refers to one of the limbs we use for walking. However, when these words are combined in the phrase, dead leg, they take on a different meaning. In a figurative sense, a dead leg is a term commonly used to describe a feeling in your leg when it has become numb or paralyzed temporarily, usually because of a sudden impact or pressure on a nerve. It's a sensation where you can't feel your leg, or it feels very heavy, making it hard to move. This often happens when someone accidentally hits the nerve in your leg or if you've been sitting or lying in one position for too long. Now that we understand what dead leg means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. I can't stand up right now. I've got a dead leg from sitting on the floor for too long. 2. During the soccer game, I received a hit to my thigh, and it gave me a dead leg for a good 5 minutes. In these examples, dead leg is used to describe the temporary loss of feeling or movement in the leg. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what dead leg means and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, it's a temporary and usually harmless condition, but it sure does feel strange when it happens. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!